Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to access or view all photos and videos of iPhone in Android smartphones without using any app. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have an iPhone smartphone and on the right side I have an Android smartphone. So before proceeding you need to have this kind of cable. Since my iPhone right now which I'm using is having a lightning port, so I'm gonna use a lightning to Type-C, and if your iPhone has a USB-C port, then get a USB-C to USB-C cable. So firstly get those cables, and after that just connect the one end with your iPhone smartphone and connect the other end with your Android smartphone. So now you will see here in your Android smartphone you will get one option here, as you can see, MTP host. Just click on it and you can click on just once or always, whichever you like. So now you can see on your iPhone smartphone it's asking allow this device to access photos and videos. Just click on allow. Now just refresh this page again. Now you can see all the folders of your iPhone smartphone. So if you click on the particular folder, now you can see all the photos, as you can see here, all the images files that is present on your iPhone smartphone is showing up here. And if you want to copy or save this photos of your iPhone in your Android smartphone, just tap and hold to select it. So you can select multiple photos or videos, whichever you want, and just click on this three dot icons, and now you'll see here copy to or move to. So you can just click on this copy to, select any folder depending upon your needs, and just click on this copy. Now it will get copied. So similarly you can just click on the respective folders and you can access all the photos and videos, and you can view them or you can copy it by using this method. So by using these cool tricks you can easily access or view all photos and videos of iPhone in Android smartphones without using any app very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.